Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 26th of December 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty December future and Bank Nifty December future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so now let us get started. We have over here the Nifty December future. The previous close over here is 17,863. The opening which happened today at 9 o'clock, and then the market opened at 9:15 was at 17,890. Low was at 18,835, while the high was at 18,106. All right, now let us go to the Nifty December future chart on a 3 minutes time frame and then see how the market has performed for the day. So the market has been performing slightly to the negative territory for the last over a week, but Monday turns out to be really well for the done. It was really good, and the market started at the bottom or the previous close around somewhere there. 863 was the closing and 890 was the opening, while from there it took a strong support at the support level in the bottom, and after taking the support level over here it started to bounce back, broke the resistance number 1. After breaking the resistance number 1, it closed comfortably at approximately the day's high at 945, which was at 17,990. We can see over here to the right side of the chart, and from there it went back, touched the resistance number 1 to in order to create that as a support at 17,941. From there it started to bounce back up again, and approximately by 2:33 it touched our next target, which was that 18,050, and from there made a day's high of 18,110. From there we saw a great profit booking to be coming in, and then the Nifty December future managed to close at 18,018. Now the Thursday is coming very closer. We have December future monthly expiry, and let us see how the market might close this expiry. I am expecting anywhere between the markets to close at the top side more than 18,300, and to the bottom side I am expecting 17,750. All right, so let's see, we'll get to know the things, which side is it gonna go by approximately Friday. All right, so now let us move to the Nifty Bank Nifty December future, and then we have it over here. One second. Okay, so the previous close over here is at 41,735. Open today was at 41,800. High was at 42,845. Low was at 41,640. All right, now let's move to the chart on a 3 minute time frame and then see how the market has been done for the day. So as said previously, the market been performing slightly into the red territory for the over a week, but the day, which was today on Monday, has been performing really well. So after closing over here, one second, so we have the Bank Nifty December future chart on our screen right now, and we can see, so the market opened at this candle approximately, and then after opening it touched the day's low, which was at 41,633, as well as in the green. The opening and the closing, the previous closing was at 735, opening was at 800, while it just quickly touched within 3 to 4 minutes, it touched the day's low. From there took a very strong support and started to create a wave up until a lot of buying volume has been also come. As we can see, the first candle itself is a green at a red at 9:15 a.m. at the open of the market, but the next candle we can see is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, approximately 12 candles are there in over the green. Okay, from there the market, the lot of buying pressure comes in, and then the market goes up until the resistance number 1. From there it does not even take the support of the resistance at like how it did in Bank Nifty. It straightforward moves to the resistance number 2, which is at approximately 9:42 a.m. at 42,180. From there it again continues to make the day's high and reach to 42,600 at approximately 2:30. From there makes a day high of 42,870, while the Bank Nifty manages to closes its day at 42,652. All right, so what I am expecting, the Bank Nifty December future to close by the expiry would be anywhere between 43,300 at the top side, 43,300, and at the bottom side we can expect 41,900 to be coming in. Yeah, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until this video over here. I'll see you in tomorrow's post market report. Thank you.